We are going to talk about today lesson 10, lesson 11, and lesson 12. Here we have in lesson 12, object pronouns. Here we have object pronouns. We use the object pronouns after a verb or a preposition to indicate who received the action of the verb or to know who the action is directed to. Look and analyze these examples. The boy helps the old woman. The boy helps her. Ruby is a very intelligent girl. I like her very much. Este her, igual que acá, aquí her hace referencia a the old woman. Y aquí este her hace referencia a Ruby. The teacher explained me the problem. Hace referencia a yo. He explained it to me very well. Él me explicó a mí muy bien. The action comes from the teacher and is directed to me. Look at this table and memorize it. El personal pronoun está aquí y estos son los object pronouns. Tenemos I, va a ser igual a me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, they, them. Tenemos por acá un video de YouTube para que podamos ver los object pronouns. Tenemos una actividad, completar con el object pronoun correcto. Una segunda actividad para reforzar el object pronoun. Si hay alguna duda, es posible regresar a la tablita anterior y ver a qué se refiere. In lesson number 11, we are going to talk about how much, how many, much, and many. Number 1, how much or how many? How much, how many, how much. We use how much with uncountable nouns in questions to ask about the quantity of something. Look, how much milk is there in the pot? Milk is an uncountable noun. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? Sugar is an uncountable noun. Tenemos el how much y tenemos el how many. El how many pudiéramos decir que es cuántos y el how much pudiéramos decir es como qué tanto. We use how many with plural countable nouns in questions to ask about the number of something. El many es para preguntar el número, el much es para preguntar la cantidad. How many apples do we need for a pie? Apples is a plural countable noun. How many bananas are there? Bananas is a plural countable noun. Much and many. We use much to express a big quantity of an uncountable noun. In affirmative sentences, we use many to express a big quantity of a plural countable noun. Look, I have much money to buy a new car. Money is an uncountable noun. There are many students in the class. Students is a countable noun. I have many books at home. The soup doesn't have much salt. I have much work to do. Y tenemos aquí igual un ejercicio para ver how much, how many, much or many. Y en la lección número 12 vamos a hablar de a lot of, lots of, a few y a little. Tenemos aquí a lot of, lots of es mucho o muchos. There is not a difference between a lot of and lots of. Both mean a big quantity of something and they can be used with plural, countable, and uncountable nouns. You only have to use them to complete. This is lot of, it's not correct. This is lot of, it's not correct. You have to use a lot of. Si dicen lot of, no va a ser correcto, tenemos que decir a lot of. A lot tampoco es correcto. Tenemos que decir lots of. So we cannot combine or omit any word a lot of and lots of. Vamos a ver acá los ejemplos. I have a lot of CDs. I have lots of CDs. No debes omitir ninguna de sus palabras, debes usar completamente a lot of o lots of y tampoco se pueden combinar ambos. Tenemos aquí a few, a little, poco o pocos. We use a little, poco, with uncountable nouns in affirmative sentences. There is a little cheese on the table. No vamos a decir, esto no significa que hay un quesito pequeño en la mesa. Vamos a decir que hay poca cantidad de queso en la mesa. Hay poco queso en la mesa. We use a few, pocos, with countable plural nouns. There are a few books on the desk. Hay unos pocos libros sobre el escritorio. Tenemos acá igual un ejercicio en el que podemos aplicar a lot, lots of, a few, and a little. Y después de eso podemos ver una lista de verbos que va a ser necesario que podamos memorizar, porque al final de cuentas los verbos nos van a resultar útiles para tener vocabulario, ¿no? Para poder crear una conversación, porque podemos conocer la gramática, pero si no tenemos vocabulario para poder hablar, entonces nos va a resultar más complicado el poder crear una conversación.